Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Latest Trends in Education. I'm Dr. Lara, and today, I'm thrilled to introduce you to a game-changing tool called Curipod. Whether you're creating lessons, slide decks, exit tickets, polls, or questions, Curipod can do it all instantly. Let's dive in. To get started with Curipod, you can either log in if you already have an account or sign up if you're new. I've just created my account, so I'll click Login. You can also log in with your Google account for convenience, super simple. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the homepage. This is where the magic happens. Now, the layout might look slightly different depending on your login, but don't worry, all the tools you need are right here. Let's start with the search bar at the top. Here, you can search for anything you need, whether it's a lesson plan, a specific topic, or a tool within Curipod. Below the search bar, you'll find two important buttons, Subject and Grade. The Subject button lets you explore various subjects based on what your lesson plan focuses on. Whether you're teaching math, science, or history, you can find it all here. The Grade button helps you tailor your lesson plans according to the grade level you're teaching. This is especially useful if you want to ensure that your content is age-appropriate and aligned with standards. Now, let's dive into the main tools on the homepage. The first section you'll see is For You. This is where Curipod introduces new tools specifically curated for you. For example, I've been exploring Co-Fairy Tale with AI, a fascinating tool that allows you to create stories with the help of AI. There are many more like this that you can try out. Next, we have Quick Writes. This section is designed to support different types of writing exercises, including argumentative writing, narrative writing, and informational writing. Curipod provides examples and prompts to guide your students through each writing journey. One of my personal favorites is Test Prep. If you're preparing students for college entrance exams like the ACT, Curipod offers incredible resources to help them ace their writing sections. It also has specialized content for other standardized tests like Texas STAR and TELPAS, California, SBAC and CASPP, New York, NYS Exam Prep, Georgia Milestones, Colorado CMAS, and Arizona AASA. This tool is a must-have for any educator working in a test prep environment. Moving on, we have the Daily Routine section. Inside, you'll find tools like vocabulary practice that offer different categories to choose from. Just below that, you'll see bell ringers to kickstart your class, exit tickets to gauge student understanding at the end of a lesson, and even brain breaks to keep the energy up during class. The social-emotional learning tool and Draw-It add creative and reflective elements to your teaching routine. Now, who doesn't love games? In the Games and Competitions section, you'll find engaging activities like Curry Quiz, making inferences, vocabulary games, and even escape rooms. These are fantastic for making learning fun and interactive. Next up is the Toolkit button. This is where you'll find some wonderful tools that can be incredibly useful for various teaching tasks. Make sure to explore this section, you might discover something that perfectly fits your needs. For those of you focusing on language learning, the Bilingual Tool section is a fantastic resource. It's designed to support language learners in a multilingual classroom environment. Lastly, we have the Pack All button. This feature allows you to combine multiple tools into one cohesive package, making it easier to manage and execute your lesson plans. And there you have it. Curipod is truly a one-stop solution for all your teaching needs, from creating engaging lesson plans to prepping students for exams. I encourage you to explore each tool and see how it can transform your classroom. If you found this information valuable and would like the full presentation in PDF format, please write PDF in the comments. Remember, we have a vibrant community on LinkedIn called Latest Trends in Education where you can ask any questions you have. Whether I'm available or not, our community can assist you. We've tackled over 300 videos covering various teaching strategies and issues. Follow us on LinkedIn to stay updated.